Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about 8 ways to rewire your brain to be happier. So, if you like the video related to manifest power, I would like to request you all please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. Now, 8 ways to rewire your brain to be happier. With all the new studies proving that your brain can be rewired to be happier and more positive through neuroplasticity. Chances are you are ready to jump at the opportunity. So, I have gathered the most effective ways to rewire your brain to be happier and how you can start implementing them into your own life. Now, how can you rewire your brain to be happier? Before we jump into the many ways you can begin to rewire your brain to be happier, you are likely wondering how this is even possible. In a nutshell, recent studies show that your brain can be rewired through neuroplasticity, which means that you are able to delete negative brain connections to further improve or even eliminate anxiety altogether. You can learn more about that in our article about rewiring your brain with the neuroplasticity for anxiety. Now, ways to rewire your brain to be happier. Let's jump right into the good stuff. The things you can do to improve your mental health. There are many ways you can start to change the brain connections you have from negative to positive, many of which can easily be done right in the comfort of your home for free or with next to no effort. The first one, meditation rewires your brain. Before you scroll on to the next step for rewiring your brain, meditation is not something to roll your eyes at. Somewhere down the line, there was this misconception creating that meditation is only for yogis and that it consists of chanting some weird sayings and doing some voodoo spells and whatnot. This could not be any other from the truth. Meditation is the process of quieting the mind through breathing technique. Yes, that's it. It's proven to have an abundance of mental health benefit, with the latest discovery being its ability to rewire the brain. In fact, studies published in psychiatry research shows that you only need to meditate for a minimum of 2 minutes a day to start harnessing the benefit, which include permanently rewiring your brain. I recommend trying the 3-minute meditation series. It provides you with professional meditation tracks that are only 3 minutes long, and it focuses on proven meditation technique that can change your mindset and break down the 3 most common barriers people face when trying to achieve peace of mind and an anxiety-free life it comes with. So 3-minute meditation manual, 28-day challenge done for you. So, joyful living journal secrets for meditation success videos. So, now the second part, count your blessings. Recount the things you are grateful for each day. Yes, rewiring your brain to be happier is that easier. I have been doing this exercise for several months now, and when I was started, I can honestly say that I didn't believe what I was telling myself. After all, after moving into a new house with over $40,000 worth of surprise damage, I was not grateful for having it. Over time, I found myself actually feeling gratitude towards the things I would not have been happy about otherwise. Now, when I am faced with a difficult situation, my brain automatically goes to this, but I'm grateful for. Place which instantly eliminates negative thoughts and emotions. So, this gratitude exercise requires you to list at least 3 things you're grateful for each night, and you can list anything. Perhaps you're grateful for having a good hair day, snuggles with your dog, a rainy day, etc. It can be anything. Now, the third part, take more walks. Studies show that people who are more physically active experience greater feelings of excitement and enthusiasm. It even shows that people have more pleasant activated feelings on days when they are more physically active than usual. The best part, it doesn't take much. Something as simple as taking a walk 3 times a week can rewire your brain to be more positive. Add in some mindfulness into your walk, and those positive feelings are certain to increase. The fourth one, take time to write and reflect. Journaling has proven to have many benefits for our mental health. A new study showed that people who took 20 minutes to write about a positive experience saw a dramatic improvement in their happiness. You don't have to be a writer, nor do you even have to write down words. You can scribble, doodle, automatic write, jot down random words, whatever comes to your mind. You just have to have an intention to reflect and put something down on paper. highly recommend getting a Get Happy Stay Happy journal. We had them in one of our subscription boxes for anxiety and warriors just like you. Absolutely love the journal. Now the fifth part, set a goal every single day. Every day, make a realistic goal, such as going for a walk, taking 20 minutes to reflect on your day, meditating for 3 minutes, and nudge, nudge. Setting a goal for the day gives you purpose, and when that goal is achievable, you feel great about accomplishing it every day. If you have no idea where to start, or you want to take your goal setting and accomplishing to the next level, you have to try Goals on Track. It's a goal setting and goal management software for high achievers. With this program, you learn how to set smart goals and stay on track so you can start tackling them. The sixth part, do a random act of kindness 5 times a week. Doing something kind for some time or someone 5 times a week can dramatically improve your happiness. It can be as simple as holding the door open for a stranger, paying for someone's coffee, buying a homeless person a meal, or writing a thank you note to someone. Get creative and do it 5 times a week, and you can start to rewire your brain to be more positive. A group of Stanford students did this rock exercise, and to no surprise, they all reported significantly higher happiness level. Then it should come to seventh part. Stop your I'll be happy when in its tracks. I'll be happy when I get a new job, when I move, when I find a lifelong partner, when I get married, when I have kids. Oh, the list goes on. But here's the thing. When you are constantly saying you will be happy when something happens, you are never actually happy. Let's say you are waiting for a job promotion to be happy. Well, not only are you ripping yourself off of the happiness right now, but when you get the job promotion, you will automatically give yourself something else to look forward to be happy. In other words, if you are constantly waiting for something to happen to be happy, you will always be searching for happiness. So drop your I'll be happy when mindset. As soon as you notice yourself saying these words, stop and correct your thought. Find a reason to be happy right now. Be happy that you have a job. Be happy that you are learning how to be single. Be happy that your 2 feet hit the ground today. This step for rewiring your brain for happiness is very similar to being grateful and practicing gratitude. When you can appreciate the simple things of each day, you're also able to be happier with the simple things each day. Next part, enter the flow zone. Find your flow and be in the zone. Whatever you are doing, become completely absorbed in it. Don't get distracted by yesterday's thoughts or tomorrow's concern or your pending to-do list. Just do whatever you are doing right now fully. Entering the zone allows you to be completely involved in an activity, allowing the ego to fall in time to fly. Flow state training is one of the best programs out there for this life-changing habit. It's a meditation-infused program that teaches you exclusive techniques that allow you to tap into the zone to increase your performance positivity skills in life. Flow state training is geared towards tapping into the flow to improve your physical performance, but the technique you learn can be used well throughout your life as to break down barriers in your brain so you can fully unleash your potential. That's all about the manifest power in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of your life, take care of your family, take care of your health. So God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.